How did a meal that combines a preserved fish and a potentially risky fruit become Jamaica's national dish? Ackee and saltfish, as it is more popularly known, is made with the ackee fruit, which was imported to Jamaica from Ghana by enslaved people who later became known as Jamaicans. The ackee is commonly used as the main ingredient in the island's traditional food dish, ackee and saltfish. Typically served at breakfast time, the ackee fruit is lightly boiled and paired with dehydrated salted cod, an assortment of onions and peppers, including Scotch bonnet, and rounded out with sides of boiled green banana, dumplings, or spinners as they're called in Jamaica, and Johnny cakes. The ackee is related to the lychee fruit and has a delicate, slightly nutty flavor. When unripe, the skin forms a sealed pod, but when the fruit ripens, the skin opens up to reveal a beautiful petal-like shape containing 3 or 4 yellow pegs topped with a single black seed. There are 2 main types of ackee identified by the color of the aril. That with a soft yellow aril is known as butter, and cheese is hard and cream-colored. Ackee contains a poison, hypolchine, which is dissipated when it is properly harvested and cooked. The fruit should not. The ackee tree grows up to 15.24 meters, 50 feet, under favorable conditions. It bears large red and yellow fruit 7.5 to 10 centimeters, 3 to 4 in long. When ripe, these fruits burst into sections, revealing shiny black round seeds on top of a yellow aril which is partially edible. Does ackee only grow in Jamaica? Jamaica is the only place where the fruit is widely eaten. However, it has been introduced into most of the other Caribbean islands, for example, Trinidad, Grenada, Florida, where it is known by different names and does not thrive in economic quantities. Ackee trees are found across the island of Jamaica, but the main producing areas are located in Clarendon and St. Elizabeth. How long does ackee take to grow? Ackee may be propagated by seed. However, the seeds are short-lived and should be planted within a few days after extraction from the fruit. Seeds may take 2 to 3 months to germinate. Seedling ackee begins to produce fruit in 3 to 6 years. Can you bring ackee back from Jamaica? Left unchecked, hypoglycemia can lead to coma and even death. Thus, the importation of the raw fruit has been banned by the FDA since 1973. However, the fruit may still be purchased in canned and frozen forms. Dietary fiber maintain digestive health. Ackee contains a high amount of dietary fiber that is beneficial for maintaining digestive health. Fiber helps in proper bowel movement, thus preventing many stomach-related conditions of constipation and obesity. Also, it reduces the risk of colon diseases and type 2 diabetes. Ackee is an unsaturated fat, and has additional health benefits through its high protein content, being a good source of vitamins B and C, zinc, calcium and fiber, reports the National Institutes of Health.